Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the additional of a Wednesday, June the 10th, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic. So total of 5 puzzles. 5 puzzles to solve, so let's get started with the first one, a Sudoku with 1 star. Alright, let me see. We have here, let me see, a 2 in this row, a 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be here. Yes, alright. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for a 2, here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? The number. Yeah, which number shall I use? Alright. A7 in this row, A7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for a 7 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 4 and the 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see with the other number. How about the number 4? 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4, let me see, with the 8 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. Then how about how about yeah, which number? Which number? Which number? Which number? How about these 3? Yes. These 3 numbers, the missing numbers here are the 3, the 9, and the 8. 3, 9, and 8. I see here a 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or could be there. The 8 I cannot fill, same like here, we have an 8 here. And the 3, I cannot fill this yet, but I know the 9 is in this row. We have a 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. How about these 3 numbers in the middle row? The missing numbers here are the 1, the 5, and the 3. We see here a 1, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. The 5 and the 3 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for a 5 should be here, here, or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 3 places for an 8 should be here, here, or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes. And now How about yeah, which number? 2, 3, 9. Yes, this big square, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 3, the 7, and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. So these two should be the 3 and the 7. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. One number left in this second column for the number 7. One number left in the first column for the number 9. 9 is missing. Then we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 9, here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. One number left in this column for the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places for the 3, here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the middle column. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. Now we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 6 goes there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square, the 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. One number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. And the final number of this big square for the number 7. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will continue in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later. Bye bye.